Okay, we're at Ortona South Campground. There's the gatehouse. And there's the fields next door. Now if you continue that way, that is the east loop. And that's the way to the dam. We're gonna go in the west loop and look at some campsites. Just for fun. Crystal and I are camping here for a couple days. I always wanted to stay on this site. 31 is a pretty good site. .32, we're on 40, so we're 8 sites down the way. So this is 31 through 51, so there's 20 sites in this loop. They're all very nice. We found a device we really like. What do you call that thing? Charging station?
Yeah.
We've stayed on 50. We've stayed on 51. This campground gets full towards the end of the winter. Right now you can catch a couple extra empty sites every now and then. 34. It's a nice site. 49. Pretty cool. 35. 48.
Yes, patriotic flamingo.
Yep. The big fifth wheel site. 36. There's one at the ADA handicap sites. 47. They're all pretty nice sites. Here's 37. Walk past the shower house here. This has, somebody's got their little portage on at the dump station. There's the shower house.
The honey wagon.
Yep, honey, and that's full of honey. That's the blue honey wagon full of honey. Okay, this is cool. Woodhaven should have a bunch of them, one in every section.
There you go.
This product is completely self-sustaining. Visit us at enterfusioninc.com. Okay, enough for the advertising.
We love it.
We do like that. I charge my phone, and we got Wi-Fi up here too.
The Army Corps of Engineers has it.
Camp host here, so you probably don't get to camp here unless you're the host. Got 2 nice sites there.
Park attendant.
39. Yep. Park attendant. Real nice people too. I wonder who's got the tiffin. Oh, that's us. Let's see what kind of a view they got.
That's the
Nice pull through.
These purple berries. Look at these purple berries.
Ooh, can I eat one?
Yeah, go ahead.
They're very purple, I can say that.
I don't think I'd eat one.
No, only if you're a bird.
I don't think the birds want them either.
There's what we do. Go in RV. And that pretty well concludes our tour. We're 40. I'll just tell you about these sites since they're right next to me. 41 and 42 is for buddies. I guess I could walk up there since nobody's here.
Two people camping.
You can camp together here. Of course, you got to pay for 2 sites, but you can be right next to your buddy. 41, 42, 43 is where the American Dream is. 44 is where we were yesterday, but I decided to come over here because I like the looks of this site. I really do. So anyhow, that's all I got for now. See you tomorrow from John Pennekamp, Coral Reef State Park in Key Largo.